Hello, this is a funny guy 9000 and welcome to more Daughter of Discord. The last time is here. Is that Screwball is asking Fluttershy to go see Pinky because tree sense stuff. So yeah, here we go.
But
3, 2, 1, go.
this was sticking up for me. Oh, thank you.
I have an idea. Why don't we forget this whole mess and go down to Sugar Soup Corner? A good muffin always makes me feel better.
Yay! Can we, Mommy? I'll clean the bathroom tonight. But that only takes a few... Please? Pretty please. Chocolate fudge sundae with whipped cream, rainbow sprinkles, and a
like I
cheese
said.
on top. Alright.
Yes! I'm gonna punch the like button in the face, which already did.
Hello, Dip, Flutter, Screw, Dink, table for four? Sure.
Also, Disney fanatic, I think you're getting 1,000,000 views soon. So, you'll get a play button. So yeah. And after that, 10 million, you'll get a diamond play button.
You alright, Pink?
You're so lucky.
Fine, Renault store, sell triplets, busy. Where's Red Shoes? Circus tour, me, money, Mommy, I'm hungry. Mommy, I'm thirsty.
Oh!
Mommy, I want a story. Mommy, I'm hungry. Cheerio, there's a quiche in the... That's very good. Mommy, go pick us out. See yourself. I'll be right with you. Come on, try pie. Stop, Mommy.
Well, we have tripies there. And they're asking their mom something I can't hear what they're talking about. Because of the boing 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 happening. That's all I hear. All I hear is mommy, 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 I want something. I don't know what they want. So please make them talk at once. I know Pinkie Pie can't hear too. Because they're not talking at once. They're all talking at the same time, so be careful with that.
Hey, look, it's our friends. Hi, guys. On second thought, I'm not hungry.
Can't avoid your friends forever.
They think I'm a freak.
You don't know that. And if they do, I suggest you prove them wrong.
Besides, they've already seen us.
Hey, Screwy!
Hey!
Hey. Look, I know you probably don't want to speak to me again after what I did.
Are you kidding?
That was awesome!
Yeah, exactly. That was awesome. You did defend yourself. You did really a good job. You did defend yourself. In a really great way. That's all you do. Sorry, I got a hiccup in there. I need to get some more to make it up, but probably it won't. Anyways, continue.
Not mad? Mad? Sure, we were a little freaked, but it's about time some pony taught those bullies a lesson.
Just go
Yes.
me on us again, okay? That scared the hay out of me. Now what are you doing standing down there for?
We're friends, aren't we?
Come on, grab a chair.
Yeah, grab a chair.
Guys, I don't know what I'd do if I didn't have friends like you.
Just forget about today.
Yeah, forget
I'm
about
sure
today.
Every pony's forgot.
Just forget about today. Forget about today. Forget about today. Forget about today. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah, forget about today. Forget about today. Yeah, forget about today. Clap your hand. Clap your hand. Clap your hand. Just forget about today. Woo! Anyways, continue.
I know all about it by now.
Hey, Aquafresh!
Oh, hey, get away from me!
Oh. Wow. Aqua Dash. You must be exaggerating a bit. Jeez.
Was it something I said?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why are you eating rocks there? I know this. Why are you eating rocks, Discord? Oh yeah, you can eat anything, absolutely anything. You're the Lord of Chaos. Of course. That's why. Got an office implication there for a minute. Yeah. Wouldn't be better. Okay. Why are you eating, rocks there? Oh yeah, you're a Lord of Chaos. Right.
Silence. Usually around this time, Screwball is playing with her food, or you're asking her how her day was. What's going on here?
Screwball, isn't there something you want to tell Daddy?
About what?
About something that you did today.
About what happened at school today?
A lot of stuff happened at school today.
You know
Yeah.
what I'm talking about.
Oh, goody, story time! Okay, honey, tell Daddy what did you do this time?
Yeah.
I played basketball with Gold Digger and Silver Tray.
That's nice.
nice.
Yeah.
They were the basketballs.
Yeah, of course.
You played basketball and they were the balls?
Yes.
Oh, if I'd have been there to see that. Oh, wait, I can. Excuse me while I pop back in time for a little bit.
So you were time traveling, and you're able to time travel because you're the Lord of Chaos. Clever. Welcome to the Doctor Who stuff.
Oh, that was priceless.
Yeah.
Did you know
Pain is
about
hilarious.
Mother's
No,
evil
it's not.
laugh? Pure genius. Oh, brilliant, my dear. Simply brilliant. You've made your father very proud.
Discord, this is serious. Don't you see what's happening here?
Fluttershy, you're exaggerating. If you don't like what's going on with the basketball thing, that's fine. But that's their personality. And yeah.
What? That my little girl finally taught those brats not to mess with the House of Discord?
Discord, may I talk with you alone?
Oh.
You mean castle of Discord. Not house. You have a castle. Jeez.
Ooh. All right then, darling. Let's talk.
That's what she said.
Oh, but Mommy, we were having so much fun.
Discord.
Exactly.
Oh.
There's 2 minutes of talk. Like a kinky talk. and the other one is normal talk. Different types of discussion. Yeah.
You meant talk. Oh. You know, you could have been more specific.
Discord, we need to talk about our daughter.
So she got a little carried away. Big deal.
It is a big deal.
It is a big deal.
How much alike you two are?
Why should it? She is my daughter.
That's
Yeah.
exactly why we
Not
should
really.
be worried.
Are you saying you regret having my child?
No! I love her just as much as you do. But her powers, they're getting out of hoof.
She's young. Let her have her fun.
Discord.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, I have to stop this video. So, okay, so that is the episode. So, I'm going to make short episode of short episodes of it. So yeah, but I might make longer ones. Some will be longer and some will be shorter. Alright? Deal. Alright. Thank you for watching. Also, one thing. I'm gonna prepare videos before I go to somewhere because in plans. Alright? So, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and your bananas, and I'll see you in the next video.